Hey everyone, you are watching JavaScript for Beginners lesson 10. So what is scoping in JavaScript? Scoping simply determines the variable's accessibility, and there are three scope: block scope, global scope and function scope. So what exactly is block scope? Variable declared inside a block are called as block scope. Now let me just show you a quick example. Let's say that we have a condition. Let's simply log age. Now let me just declare the variable age over here. As you can see here, we just got the output 20. Now let's try to access this particular variable outside this block, and this clearly throws us an error saying that age is not defined. So this particular variable is accessed only inside this particular piece of block, and this creates a block scope, and this is what is called as block scope. Next one is global scope. A global variable can be accessed anywhere inside the particular piece of file. Let's say that we have a variable num is equal to 20, and this variable is called as global variable, and it can be accessed anywhere in this particular file. Now let me just comment this out, and let's try to access this variable over here. This gives us the same output 20, and now let's try to access this over here. This also gives us the same output 20. So this is called as global scope, where the variables can be accessed anywhere inside a code base. Last but not the least, function scope. The variables which are declared inside a function are called as function scope. Now let me just show you a quick example. Let's declare the function, say hello. Now let's create a variable text which says hello world. Oops, I have to declare it as string. And now let's simply log this text and call this function, say hello. As you can see here, we just got the output hello world. Now let's try to access this variable outside this function, and we just got the error text is not defined, which means that this particular variable creates a function scope which can only be accessed inside this particular function, and this is called as function scope. So these are the three scopes that are in JavaScript, and make sure you remember all these three things in order to keep your journey much smoother. And that's it for this video. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.